Hello and welcome to Delhi Law Firm. Today we are discussing a very important legal decision that directly affects ordinary citizens, homeowners, neighbors, and urban development authorities. This decision clearly explains whether a common citizen has the right to approach the High Court against illegal construction by a neighbor and what duties authorities are legally bound to perform.
Yes, and this topic is extremely relevant because many people believe that illegal construction is only a dispute between the builder and the development authority. The general public often feels helpless. This decision removes that misconception and clearly establishes that affected neighbors do have enforceable legal rights.
In this case, the petitioner was a resident of an old residential locality. Adjacent to his house, construction was being carried out in complete deviation from the approved building plan. Mandatory setbacks were not left, basements were constructed beyond permissible limits, and additional floors were raised illegally.
The impact of this illegal construction was serious. It obstructed the petitioner's right to air and sunlight and also posed direct risk to the foundation of his old house. This made the issue not merely technical but a matter affecting safety, health, and property rights.
The petitioner first approached the development authority and requested action. Initially, the premises were sealed. However, the builder submitted an affidavit giving an undertaking that the illegal portions would be removed and future construction would strictly follow the sanctioned plan.
Despite this written undertaking, the illegal construction continued. The court took a very serious view of this conduct and emphasized that an undertaking given to authorities or the court is not a formality but a binding legal commitment.
A key argument raised by the builder was that the petitioner had no locus standi and was merely a complainant. According to them, construction violations were a matter solely between the builder and the development authority.
The court rejected this argument outright. It clearly held that when illegal construction affects a neighbor's easementary rights, such as air and sunlight, and also creates a risk to the neighbor's property, that neighbor has full legal standing to approach the court.
The court further observed that the petitioner's concerns were genuine and supported by the builder's own admissions regarding waterlogging in the basement and possible damage to the petitioner's house.
Another important aspect highlighted was the role of the authorities. The court strongly criticized the conduct of officials who allowed illegal construction to continue despite knowing that it was beyond the sanctioned plan and non-compoundable.
The court made it clear that development authorities are duty-bound to act against illegal construction. They cannot turn a blind eye or act in collusion with violators. Failure to act invites strict judicial scrutiny.
The decision also clarified that constructions which are non-compoundable cannot be legalized by payment of fees or by seeking time. Such illegal portions must be removed irrespective of inconvenience or financial loss to the violator.
Repeated attempts by the builder to delay demolition, seek indulgence, or avoid compliance were strongly condemned. The court observed that litigants who disrespect the law and misuse legal processes do not deserve any sympathy.
A very strong message emerges from this decision that courts exist to protect law-abiding citizens, not those who deliberately violate building laws and then attempt to escape consequences through technical arguments.
The court also noted that illegal construction is not a private issue alone. It affects public safety, urban planning, and the fundamental right to live in a healthy environment.
For common citizens, this decision is empowering. It confirms that if illegal construction affects your light, air, safety, or property, you are not helpless. The law recognizes your right to seek judicial protection.
It also serves as a warning to builders and property owners that violating sanctioned plans and giving false undertakings can lead to strict action, including demolition and accountability of officials involved.
This decision reinforces the principle that no one is above the law and that urban development must strictly adhere to legal norms and approved plans.
If you are facing a similar issue where illegal construction by a neighbor is endangering your rights or property, timely legal action is crucial. Proper legal guidance can make a decisive difference.
Delhi Law Firm provides legal assistance in matters relating to illegal construction, property rights, writ petitions, and actions against authorities across India.
For consultation and detailed legal guidance, you may visit our website www.delhilawfirm.news. We handle cases on an all-India basis and are committed to protecting the lawful rights of citizens.
Remember, Awareness of your legal rights is the first step towards justice, and the law stands firmly with those who choose the lawful path.